Oh no, my desk looks terrible today.
Tom, this is not a desk. This is a disaster. Look at these papers and cables.
I know, everything is everywhere.
Your keyboard is very dusty.
I think it remembers every snack I eat.
Your screen has many fingerprints.
Yes, my fingers say hello every day.
Why is your chair so far back?
I escaped from homework last night.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning. Please don't look at my desk.
This whole room needs help.
It's modern art, very modern.
The clock is ticking.
Wait, what time is it?
Are you nervous?
Yes, very nervous.
We start with the desk.
Okay, let's clean and learn English.
First, wipe the desk.
With this cloth.
Yes, move in small circles.
Like this, slow and careful.
Now dust the keyboard.
Wow, so much dust.
Use the small brush.
Between the keys, right?
Next, clean the screen.
No water.
Only a dry cloth.
Top to bottom, like a window.
Your cables are a mess.
They look like spaghetti.
Organize them neatly.
I will make them straight.
Use a cable tie.
Now they are friends.
Move the laptop to the center.
Center position. Got it.
Monitor goes behind.
Laptop in front.
Leave space for your notebook.
This feels professional.
These books are messy.
I never know where to put them.
Heavy books at the bottom.
Strong books go low.
Light books on top.
Like a tower.
Gather loose papers.
Okay, all together.
Throw them into the bin.
Goodbye, old papers.
Your headphones are hanging.
They look tired.
Put them on the stand.
Much better.
Your desk is clean now.
And I learned many phrases.
Now look at your bed.
It's modern art again.
Pull the blanket up.
Like this.
Make it smooth.
From top to bottom.
The pillow looks flat.
Poor pillow.
Fluff it gently.
Shake and press.
Time to change the sheets.
New sheets feel nice.
Take off the old ones.
Done.
Put on the clean sheet.
Smooth and neat.
LED lights are messy.
But I love them.
Set them up around the wall.
This looks cool.
The lights are glowing.
My room feels special.
You have a small cactus.
Yes, my plant friend.
Give it a little water.
Just a small sip.
The bed looks clean now.
I like this feeling.
Good job, Tom.
Thank you.
You should be proud.
I really am.
The room looks calm.
Like a hotel.
A student hotel.
Yes, exactly.
Fresh air feels nice.
I feel relaxed.
Clear the nightstand.
Only lamp, tan book.
Turn on the lamp.
Warm light.
Very cozy.
Perfect for resting.
Sit and enjoy.
This bed is amazing.
Relax your body.
I feel calm.
Bedroom finished.
Let's continue.
Now the living room.
Oh,
Pick up the clothes.
so many.
Smooth them first.
Okay,
Now fold neatly.
fold and stack.
Put them on the sofa side.
Left side.
Time to vacuum.
This machine is loud.
Push forward slowly.
Like this.
And pull back.
I see the dust.
It's working.
Very clean.
Dust the shelves.
They look gray.
Top shelf first.
Always top.
Move downward.
Top to bottom.
The table is dirty.
Cookie crumbs again.
Use a damp cloth.
Wipe gently.
Use circles.
Nice and clean.
Your game console.
My favorite part.
Put it in the middle.
Center again.
Games in the box.
Perfect order.
Look at the room.
So clean.
The carpet shines.
No dust.
The sofa looks neat.
Much better.
Shelves are clean.
I like this.
Great job.
Thank you.
You worked hard.
I did.
Time passed quickly.
But worth it.
The light is softer now.
Afternoon already.
The room feels calm.
Very peaceful.
Stretch your arms.
That feels good.
You look happy.
I am.
Lean space feels nice.
Yes.
Take a deep breath.
And out.
Relax.
I feel proud.
Living room done.
Ready for next room.
Let's continue later.
See you in part 2.